Well, howdy. I'm Gary. This is Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking, and I thought I'd do a little comparison of a couple of our favorite items to use cooking, other than the fire pit. You know, we love to do cooking over a fire too. But what we have here on this side is our garbage can method. And in that we have this platform that goes in, and that's what you put your briquettes on. It just drops down in. Get your briquettes going. Take your Dutch oven. Set it down on top. Put the briquettes that you need on top. And what I really like about this is you can also use a garbage can for garbage. And the fact that it doesn't matter which way the wind's coming from. If it's swirling around, it's protected 360 degrees. It does a little better job than this at keeping your temperatures even. You'll also use a few less briquettes because the wind doesn't get to them. It works excellent for desserts, breads, biscuits, that kind of thing. So, you know, if you're fighting the wind and you're only doing one thing, this is excellent. You know, it doesn't matter if it's for your main course or a dessert or bread, it's excellent. Now this, the thing that I like about this is that you can be doing two things at a time, which is really handy, especially if you're doing it for a group. You can have a nice big dessert going and a nice main course. So that I really like. This takes up less room to carry. You can put your starter and your lid lifter and everything right in the can. It's all in one place. That I like. This, when it's all folded up, doesn't take up a lot of room, but you still have to have place for your trivet and your lid lifter and that kind of thing. It doesn't do quite as good a job protecting from the wind, you know, so that's a con. That's something I got against it. But at the same time, you can be doing two things, not just one. But this does a better job, I think, on breads and desserts because it's totally protected and it keeps your temperature so it's just like having it in your oven in the house. This will vary a little more. So, you know, if it's down to carrying one thing and you normally only do one thing at a time, the garbage can, in my estimation, is the best way to go because everything goes in, it takes up less room. If you're normally doing more than one thing and you're fighting the wind, this is a good way to go. And if you got room to carry it, like we do, because we pull a trailer, we carry both. That way we can actually have three things going all at the same time. And the wind can be blowing. So anyway, that's just a comparison between the two and, you know, what I like about one and one about the other. So I'll leave it up to you to decide what you really like. But for now, till we meet again, this is Gary.